What the? Great. Just great.
Can we drive across there?
I don't know. I don't know.
All right, kids, why don't you get in the back?
Okay.
Come on, come on. Come on, Lauren.
Go. In the back. There you go.
It's okay.
Okay. Here we go.
Sherry, we're on fire.
Hold on.
Stuck in the lava! More lava's coming down the hill! Mommy! Mommy!
It's okay.
There's Rumpy!
Where?
Right there! We have to help her!
I gotta go get her.
Go get it. Go.
Rumpy!
We're only gonna get one chance at this.
Come on, Rumpy, jump!
Eight years it took us to get this town on its feet. You wouldn't believe the struggle. Look at it.
Our house is gone.
There's no other way out of town.